equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torque screwdriver, T15. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Compressed air canister. *** Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Lay it on a flat surface and gather your tools. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth handy to clean any dust or debris you encounter. *** Step 2. Disassembling the vacuum ***. Start by removing the dustbin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. *** Step 3. Accessing the motor ***. Once the top cover is off, you'll see the motor assembly. Use the torque screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Be gentle, as these screws can be quite tight. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. *** Step 4. Cleaning the interior ***. Before you remove the motor, take a moment to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use the compressed air canister to blow out any dust and debris. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum once the new motor is installed. *** Step 5. Removing the old motor ***. Carefully disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Note how the connections are made, as you'll need to replicate this with the new motor. Gently lift the motor out of its housing. *** Step 6. Installing the new motor ***. Take your new motor and place it into the housing. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring each connection is secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. *** Step 7. Reassembling the vacuum ***. Once the new motor is in place, replace the screws using your torque screwdriver. Then, reattach the top cover with the Phillips screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. *** Step 8. Final cleaning and testing ***. Before you plug in your vacuum, give it a final wipe down with the soft cloth. Once clean, plug it in and test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it's functioning correctly. *** Step 9. Professional services ***. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer not to tackle it yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel, we make it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. Enjoy your clean home with your newly functioning vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.